ask some sentences to make into negative, and it's for yes, Gupta. Be ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have sentences. Yes. Ram goes to school every morning. Change it to negative.
Negative.
Yes.
Ram Ram does
Ram
not
goes
go
to school every morning.
Ram does not go to school every morning.
Good. Okay. Can you tell me a structure for present perfect continuous?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Uh, Affirmative form subject plus has have plus been plus bhakti plus object. No, sorry, sir. Subject plus has have plus been plus bharpur plus object. Negative form subject plus has have plus not plus been plus bharpur plus object. Interrogative form has have plus subject plus been plus bharpur plus object.
Very good. Now, Aryan Jha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me a structure for affirmative, negative, and yes, no of all four tense in a present tense.
Simple present tense. Positive form. Subject plus bhavan bhavai plus subject. Negative. Subject plus do does plus not plus bhavan plus subject. Interrogative. Do does plus subject plus bhavan plus subject. Present continuous. Subject plus am is are plus being plus bhafor plus subject. Subject plus is am are plus bhafor plus subject. Negative form. Subject plus is am are plus not plus bhafor plus subject. Interrogative. am is are plus subject plus bhafor plus subject. Present perfect tense. Subject plus has a plus verb 3 plus subject. Negative. Subject plus has have not plus verb 3 plus subject. Interrogative. Has have plus subject plus verb 3 plus subject. Present perfect continuous. Subject plus has have been plus verb 4 plus subject. Negative form. Subject plus has have not been plus verb 4 plus subject. Interrogative. Has have plus subject plus been plus verb 4 plus subject. Done, sir.
Okay, and now you have some questions. Yes, I have questions for you. Yes, I have already done it. Change it to negative. Aryan,
Hajur, sir.
I have already done it. Change it to negative.
I don't have.
I have
Sir, I
already
have
done
not
it.
done. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. Just like yesterday, we discussed simple present tense, and we have to start present continuous as well. So present continuous is very easy. Where while
Sir, I
making
have not. Sir, I have not done it yet.
yes, yes. Okay, good. Yesterday we discussed simple present and some of the stock examples of present continuous. Now we discuss present perfect. While making negative of present perfect, there are some words that can be changed into negative, and they are very easy to change, just like ever, change into never. In the same way, already change into not eight. Yes, some words they change, they are changed, just like example I mentioned before. I have already done it. So negative of this, I have not done it yet. And the question for this, yes, so simple, have I done it yet? So when we make question, we have to be careful. As I have shared some of the structures yesterday, and also posted on Messenger, WhatsApp as well. Now the question, time for next one. Okay, so Sugiti Pandey. Sugiti Pandey. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have some sentences for you to change into negative. Yes. I have some money. Change into negative.
I have no money.
I have some money. Change into negative.
I have not any money.
I have not any money. It's not so right. Okay, anyone?
I have no money. I don't have any money.
I don't have no any money.
Okay, Divya,
Haven't any money, sir.
I.
Haven't any money.
This is not right. Okay, Prakash Jaiswal.
Sir, I have not any money.
No, 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 no. Smriti Jaiswal.
Sir,
Smriti Jaiswal.
Yes, sir.
I have some money. Change it to negative.
Does not have any money.
Okay, you are confused. Isha Jha.
I don't have any money.
Yes, good. I don't have any money because have or has when we use with some noun just like their money, book, car, like this. There are some words. So at that time, have and has, yes, can be V1 and V5. Their roles are as main verb, just like I have a gun. So when we say I have a gun, this is simple present tense. So negative I don't have a gun. Okay. In the same way, some is changed into not any, and some other way we can say no. I have money. I don't have. Okay. Now again I have question for next candidate, Asmit Jha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Asmit Jha, you have very good question. You can answer it. We eat something every day. Change it to negative. We eat something every day. Are you ready, Asmit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. We eat something every day. Okay, you are confused. Armin, Armin Taranum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we
Yes,
eat
sir.
something every day. Change it to negative.
We don't eat anything every day.
Don't eat anything every day.
Every day.
We eat nothing every day. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, Nehasa.
Yes, sir.
We eat something every day. Change into affirmative. Sorry, yes, no. Change into yes, no.
Do Do I eat anything every day?
Question is, we eat, not you or I. So we can say, do we eat? Do we eat anything every day? Okay, Sam Sundar.
Ajit, sir.
Yes,
Ajit, sir.
I have asked you some question. Change into negative. I have asked you
Okay, sir.
some question. Change into negative. I have asked you some question. Change into negative.
I don't ha- I have n- I don't have asked any question.
Oh, wrong, wrong, wrong. Sri Ram Mahat. To. Sri Ram Mahato. Sri Ram Mahato, are you listening? Okay. Yes, Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me. I have asked you.
Sir,
I have asked you some question. Change into negative.
I haven't asked you any question.
I haven't asked you any question. And other way, I
No idea.
have asked you no question. Yes, I have asked you no question. Okay, so now the time for presentation. Yesterday I gave homework. Yes. So how many of
Yes,
you
sir.
have done? If you have done, start sharing one by one, and the time start for start for everyone. So I must ask one by one. Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sham Sundar, you share your homework.
Screen share, sir.
Yeah.
सर डिजेबल गर्नुहोस् न डिजेबल छ सर
Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now share. It's not so visible. Make it visible. Zoom it.
ओके सर
Yes. Yesterday I told you, to make sentences for present continuous, and you have done simple present. Yes. It's not good idea. Okay, stop sharing. Next, Aryan. Rotate it. Rotate it.
Sir, it's not mine, sir.
Oh, who's Sujata? है ना Sujata Sinha. Okay. Sujata, rotate it. रोटेट गर्नु क्या यो रोटेट बुझ्छौ नि यसलाई सिधा राख्नु क्या यो अलि ओके ओके भेरी गुड ठिक छ नेक्स्ट do fast we have only left not more than 10 minutes share it fast Aryan okay Is Ram going to school? They are not playing football. Are they playing football? I'm not eating. Okay. Is it drinking coffee? Okay, very good. Next. Armin, have you done? Good. Teacher, you have good knowledge. Thank you. Next. Armin. Okay, Armin. Asmit, have you done? Nehmasa. Okay, very good. Is mother cooking? Okay. Sukiti Pandey. ठिक छ गुड तर क्वेसन मार्क छोडेछ है एउटामा 6 नम्बरमा आर दे प्लेइङ क्रिकेटमा क्वेसन मार्क छोडेछ है डोन्ट फर्गेट टु गिभ साइन अफ इन्ट्रोगेसन 7 नम्बरमा पनि छोडेछ है
Okay, sir.
यस यस ओके नेक्स्ट यो नाम नभएको कसको छ है 1GNCU मैले हिजो अस्ति नै भने है आफ्नो स्कुलको नाम पनि हुनुपर्छ आफ्नो नाम पनि हुनुपर्छ यो कसको छ डिभाइस नेम मात्र युज गरेको छ है ठिक छ भेरी गुड नेक्स्ट गुड ठिक छ स्नेहा सिन्हाको ठिक छ ओके चन्दन झा अहिले आइरहेछ है ओहो केटा कहाँ थियो नेहाले पनि क्वेसन मार्क छोडेछ है 6 नम्बरमा इज राम स्लिपिङ अन अ बेड है क्वेसन मार्क छोड्न मिल्दैन नि त ओके when we make question we don't forget to give sign of interrogation yes अरु जना शेयर गर्नु है फटाफट we don't have time अरु को बाँकी छ Okay, I am doing my work. ठीक छ good. Okay, very good. ठीक छ good good. Yes. Now we have to discuss for tomorrow. Yes, thank you. Now the time is over and now it's time for homework. So tomorrow we discuss one thing that the rest of present perfect and present perfect continuous we have to discuss and tomorrow we also start past tense. Yes. And we will be discussing all the structure for past tense yes so I hope you will get it yes and you will be regular which is Rashid your writing and your paper is not visual every day so you try to make it visual make it clear to everyone it's you have I think you have some problem in your mobile yes brightness is is too much brightness there is चन्दन झा अहिले आइरहेछ है चन्दन झा गुड सुस्मिताले पनि ठिक गरेछिन् है ओके गुड अनि याद किन गरे थिएन सुस्मिता पाण्डे
यस सर
याद किन गरेको थिएनौ
सर बीट याद गरेको थिए
राम्रोसँग याद गर्नु है भोलि फेरि सुन्छु ठीक छ यो राम्रो छ बनाएको राम्रो छ है गुड भेरी गुड थ्यांक यू नेक्स्ट आई एम आस्किङ चन्दन झा चन्दन झा सुनिरहेछ ओहो छैन सुनिरहेको अस्तिदेखि भनिरहेको थियो सर पढ्छु अनि आए पनि अलिक रेगुलर हुनुपर्छ स्मार्ट हुनुपर्छ इट्स ओके आर्मिनको क्लियर भएन है अलिअलि ब्राइटनेस बढी भयो है अलि ब्राइटनेस कम गर्नु ओके so the time is going to be over so sorry for today we discuss again tomorrow and one thing more that we have to discuss tomorrow we discuss past tense and we also discuss the rest of present tense and this is the part of affirmative negative and yes/no pattern so thank you for today meet you tomorrow again with past tense and many more thank you
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
okay thank you
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.